Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple guide on how to search in the snooze list on Facebook using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you've been wondering how to manage your snoozed content or find specific items in your snooze list, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Facebook's official website by typing facebook.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile photo there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a section where you can customize various aspects of your Facebook experience. Now, within the Settings and Privacy section, locate and click on Content Preferences. Once inside, look for an option labeled Snooze and click on it. This is where all the magic happens. At this point, you'll see a search bar at the top of the Snooze section. Simply type in what you're looking for, be it a specific person, page, or group that you've previously snoozed, and hit Enter. Facebook will quickly filter through your snooze list and display matching results. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily search and manage your snooze list on Facebook using your PC. Whether you want to unsnooze someone or just check who's on your list, this method keeps things quick and hassle-free. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. See you next time.